What did the Civil Rights Act of 1957 do? Have you ever wondered how the Civil Rights Act of 1957 shaped the landscape of civil rights in America? This act was a significant milestone in the federal government's commitment to civil rights. It was the first major civil rights law passed since the Reconstruction era, highlighting the growing concern about racial discrimination, especially in voting rights. The Eisenhower administration played a key role in championing this legislation, with strong backing from Northern Republicans and some Democrats. One of the major provisions of the act was the establishment of the United States Civil Rights Commission. This six-member commission was tasked with investigating allegations of civil rights violations, particularly those related to voting rights. It documented and reported on these issues, helping to build a case for further legislative action. Another important aspect of the act was the creation of the Civil Rights Division within the Department of Justice. This division was led by an Assistant Attorney General for Civil Rights and was responsible for enforcing civil rights laws. Before this, civil rights enforcement was managed by the Criminal Division, which limited its focus on civil rights issues. The act also included a provision that made it a federal crime to conspire to deny or abridge another citizen's right to vote. This was a direct response to the widespread intimidation and discriminatory practices that prevented many African Americans from voting, particularly in the southern states. While the Civil Rights Act of 1957 was a step forward, its immediate impact was somewhat limited. Many southern states continued to find ways to bypass federal law and restrict voting rights. However, it laid the groundwork for more substantial civil rights legislation in the future, such as the Voting Rights Act of 1965. From the perspective of the Republican Party, this act reflects the party's historical role in advancing civil rights, particularly under President Eisenhower's leadership. It demonstrates a commitment to protecting individual rights and promoting equality, even in the face of strong opposition from some Southern Democrats. The Civil Rights Act of 1957 was a crucial moment in American history, marking the beginning of a more active federal role in civil rights enforcement.